And welcome back to another Bestestimes Reborn update video. Down at Warrina Lakes. Gonna have a look at the nature play a few weeks after it's been open, about a month or so. It's Thursday the 3rd of October 2024, 11:48 AM. So we'll have a look at the nature play, get some video, get some photos. Well, there's no children here, being school holidays are finished, so we should be able to get something out of it, hopefully. Show this as best as we can, the signage. So it's just an update to see what it's like. So you can see how it's fared over the time being here. A little bit of time now, finished. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. So we'll have our look. There's plovers around, so be wary of them as always. They have cut down a tree where there's shade. I'll show that later, where there used to be shade. It's a bit frustrating. We've had bits of rain off and on, so there's that. So there's supposed to be water spouting out of these. Well, I've never seen them going, but there's little pipes or something showing there. There's footprints type of things on here, but they're like animal prints. Just trying to get as much shown. Well, there's no one here. There's a couple of adults here. They can see what I'm doing. If they're getting shot, well, that's their choice. But they're going to sit amongst here. I don't know. Anyway, we'll continue along to have a look. Show what we can. Much detail, you always do. The other playground's not there yet. I don't think they should have moved it until the new playground was ready, realistically. This is where this is in regard to the pump track. There's a pump track there. Where I am now is basically where the volleyball court used to be. Yeah, volleyball. The barbecue area here. You can see across to where the old playground used to be. There's nothing there yet, sadly, and this bench should be attached to something, but anyway, could put a hook or something on. But anyway, we'll show what we can when we're here. Awesome thing they put here. So glad they did it. Show you how the new tables are here, what they're like. There's no real shade. It's a big downside. Last time I was here, they were cutting down a few palm trees and getting a few fronds down, probably so they don't fall on anybody. But these are the new tables and chairs. Stuff they've got here. It's not real wood, you can tell that. Like a metal, aluminium. Try and show us much detail. Well, there's sun out too. It's a rare thing lately, because it's basically sun overcast at the moment. Nice flowers, hopefully they last and stay. Not insects around. The other thing, you may end up with a lot of mosquitoes. Do a slight 360, best we can. Slow as we can, so we can see a bit more detail towards the pump track. Around. There's a few parts here I haven't seen kids actually play on. Like any of those rope sort of things. Climbing things. That look like ladder type things. There's tourists doing their van life stuff over in the car park. Be a nice spot to do it. I don't know if you're meant to. Oh, you can see that showing through. I never saw that before, like fossils. Never seen that. Must have been put in there for kids to dig up and see it eventually. Oh, that's cool. Like dinosaur fossil type things. I'm gonna get a photo of that. Any photos I take will end up on the end of the video. That's how it works. That's how it always works. Now, we'll go down and have a look at that eventually. When we get to that spot. Get all this done before any rain comes or it gets overly overcast again. Kids would have come across that by accident. Hopefully they're stuck in there so people can't get rid of them, can't take them and that. Yeah. Very cool. Hopefully the camera's seeing it. It's hard to see it because the sun's so bright. It's hard to see the screen, see what it's seeing. But yeah, there's things here I haven't seen kids on that. I'm sure they use them. I just haven't seen them on there. I wonder if these get really hot, these types of seating. Just, it's not overly hot now on them. Not touching them and that, but wait till summer, of course. Full summer. I like this creek sort of thing here. They use the pump thing over there. It helps fill it up a bit. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot. That's why they've done it. It's just amazing. It can be a little dangerous when there's kids going around on push scooters and all that, and e-scooters, when people are trying to have a look. Like I walked around here one day just to have a look without filming or anything. Nearly got skittled a few times. It's just the nature of the play. Onwards. You got these mushroom type things here, stepping stones. Pretty cool. Yeah, there's little doors, but you can't open them. Yeah, there's like 3 of them that I can see at the moment. Another one, one with a child, so I'll have to stop soon. One here. I might actually ask them if I can quickly get my video while they play. Yeah, this here I've never seen anyone on. Probably being used. Another lot of the tables and chairs they've got here. All the same style. Where they cut down one of the big palm trees that shaded that area there.
2 kilometers completed. Duration 26 minutes 9 seconds. 2,569 steps. Heart rate 190 beats per minute.
Plovers sound quite angry, as they do. The pigeon. Let's jump up here. You can tell this is well used, which is good. No, it's not that it's not looked after, it's just well used. They got some, looks like a sprinkler there. A nice little fort type of thing up here. Like this here you can yell into and it comes out the other end. Comes out down the bottom here. And down there. There's also another one over near that pump thing, which I can't show because the child and the lady are there. Be nice if they come up here when I go down there. I'd be showing them the slide and that if I could. Yeah. They're there. No. Yeah, if people seem approachable, sometimes I'll say something, she didn't look too approachable. I would have said, oh, I won't show you a child in the video. Just to put her at ease, you know, the right thing to do. Yeah, this one here. Try and show this, or try to show one at a time. You're going to hand pump it. Let's get the hand pump here. Look at it running down there, going near the bridge. Pretty cool. Look, it's going to go all the way down past the bridge. We'll have a look. We'll go down. Just get pump a bit more through. And go down and see if it goes to the bridge. Oh, hopefully there's nothing blocking it. So we can have a squirt. See if it goes through. No, that's just wet from rain, I'd say. It's part here. Oh, it hasn't come through. No, it's starting to trickle through now. See, it's sort of trickling through. Probably could do with a lot more water before it properly will trickle through. Yeah, you can see it coming down here from up there. So if there was children playing on here and really going for it to go through. Yeah, it's getting about near that leaf there. Near the two brown leaves. And they'll go through. It's pretty cool. Look, it's going under. You can see it's through there now. Oh, I can. You believe this? See if we can go on the other bridge there and follow it. See, it's getting down there. It might evaporate before it gets there because it's so wet. It's so hot, I mean. No, it's getting there. It's cruising down here. Just the leaves are sort of slowing it down a bit. Let's see if it should come through over here. It's already wet. Somebody else might have used it before too, not just from the rain. We'll see if we can see it flow through. It's going under. It's going to flow through and come out. Anyway, we'll keep going because it's too hot. Just stand in the one spot for too long. I don't think I showed this slide here before. I might have. I did last time, but other times. This time round, have I? Probably not. I wanted to show the other one, but the lady was using it with the daughter, so yeah, that's fine. That's what it's here for. It's all good. There's plenty of other times. Now we'll quickly show the front track and that. The tourist enjoying it, the van lifer. I might actually set a time lapse up here when I have my soft drink, and hopefully no one comes along and wants to use it. Even get a half an hour time lapse up here at the thing here because it's undercover, nicely undercover. Alright, well we'll leave it at that for now. Thanks for watching. The best times keeping memories alive. Stay tuned for photos and the time lapse and that. If you want to check out some other videos, check out the Innisfail playlist. It's one of the biggest ones with the most amount of videos and all that. If you want to donate to the channel, there's a PayPal link and also a super thanks button provided by YouTube. Don't forget to stop in and visit Innisfail if you're going through from Cairns to Townsville, Townsville to Cairns. Check out Warrina Lakes, which is come down Gladys Street. Don't go the KFC way, go the other way. Go all the way down and you'll see it. Charles Street, I mean. Sorry, Charles Street, not Gladys. Anyway, let's stop the video here because there is more people coming with kids. And we'll get the time lapse, so stay tuned for photos and time lapses. Stay safe, stay cool. We'll catch you in the next one.